All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas. And on this channel, we bring you property tours, video blogs about Las Vegas, anything that has to do with real estate. So today we are here in the city of Henderson, in a master plan community called Cadence. We got about 10,000 homes. Okay. Right here, we are in a neighborhood called Arioso, and this is a townhome that we are going to be exploring today by Richmond American homes. So this is more like a townhome, attached duplex. The garage is out in the back here. There's a lot of development taking place, as you can see. But I'm gonna show you guys the front here. So we got the Boston and also the Chicago. The sign does say it starts off at the 300 range. However, it's a 360,000 starting. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go take a look at the Boston model first. So I want to show you what's going on here. So we do have nice pitch roof, flat tile, and this pitch roof here in the back, this two-car garage you'll see, gives that modern look. However, it's a lot of dead space on this pitch. You got some nice cladding on the stone. I'll show you guys the garage here. Might be a little bit too windy. I do apologize. So here's the sales office, but that is the two-car garage for the Boston. As you can see, we got the famous strip there. But we're gonna head on in this way. You do have a courtyard here on the side. We'll get into that courtyard in just a second, but I think it's time to get inside because it's just a little bit way too windy. Got a beautiful park right there too as well. Also, real quick, as a note, a lot of you guys are not interested, not happy with the way that the channel's going. A few of you guys do like it though. I mean, at the end of the day, it has to do with real estate, anything with Las Vegas, so I think it's cool. I mean, we've got a couple things new to the channel. We are doing a lot of collaborations with other YouTubers and people that are in the industry. It's more educational than anything. Wow, look at this. So real quick about the channel here. You know, we do launch video tours every day. I'm gonna say probably about 6 days a week. Okay, so you'll still get that every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We talk about real estate and financing. We have a podcast. Okay, and also we do daily vlogs with behind the scenes when it comes to real estate. Hey, how you doing? No, you're fine. So, where was I going with this? So the channel has changed, but I think it's changed for the best. So that way we have every opportunity for everybody that's interested in real estate. Alright, so let's just get into it. Enough of all the jaw-japping. So we are on the Boston model. It's 1,500 square feet. The starting price, the base price on here is $360,950. Okay? It is a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Let's take a look at some of these drawers here. Nice solid front drawers. And then they're just your standard shakers. Okay. Looks really nice. I mean, it's not like high grade quality. Got the 6-panel door here. Let's see what's in the pantry. These are probably the handles I'm going to use for our flip property. Here's the sales office. However, this is the 2-car garage. Okay. You do have the options for the quartz countertops. Now with the cabinets, you're going to get the maple cabinets, which is going to be standard in stock. Then you're going to get an option for the granite, which builders always give you the ugliest one for some reason, so that way you're forced to do the upgrades, but it is what it is. We have a total of about 120 lots here. Well, only 75 is available. The good news is that lot premiums are majority $0 to $7,000. See what kind of air conditioning unit they got here. This is a Goodman probably. Oh yeah. This thing is humming nicely. This is probably a 16-SEER air conditioning unit. Yeah, it looks like it's a 16-SEER, which is really nice for energy efficient. Make sure your home inspector takes a look at that. Here's a second air conditioning unit. That's just probably for the sales office. Good job on the stucco here. Love the color block. Good job on that. You got your standard vinyl doors. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. You have 9-foot ceilings. Okay. Now I remember when these were going for like $250 about a year and a half ago. So this is going to be important right here because remember how you have the Chicago model and the Boston model. You have a wall in between. Okay. Right here, this is just a model showing you the design between the two walls here. So you actually have a centerpiece, then you have the two walls, right? The Chicago, then the Boston, then the insulation in between. One thing I would probably check is inside the attic, or ask the salesperson, could you literally crawl in somebody else's house through the crawl space? Let's take a look at this again from this side. You do have some surround sounds. That's an option. That's definitely an upgrade. We know the cabinets are an upgrade too as well. Okay. Let's take a look at this half bath. Wallpaper. Okay. Oh, the fact that there's a window right here. Alright, let's go upstairs. There's really not too much to this. HOAs are going to be $40 for the master, $40 for the neighborhood. So we got a bedroom here. See what we got here. Not bad, 9-foot ceilings. Is this a transfer grill? Wow, at least you got a transfer grill here. Nice. But it doesn't go right into the duct. It transfers right into here, the main hallway. And it sucks it right back in here. 6-panel door. This be like your coat closet. Okay. Take a look at this bathroom here. Got the 12 by 24 on the tile. Nice high vanity. Got the quartz with the under-mounted sink. Then you have your tub shower combo. However, with this herringbone and the fixtures that you see, that would not be included. It would just be a 4-piece fiberglass panel. Delta fixtures, okay. What do we have here? Linen closet. So this is a dual zone air conditioning unit because I see another thermostat here. A lot of homes now will have the dual. Oh, okay, so they got a double stack. Oh man. One thing I would check if there's actually a drain line here. Now there is a drain pan there, so it could be, but double check on that. Washer and dryer not included. However, you can buy that through the builder if you want. Some additional features that come with the property is a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. force air, gas, and heat. I mean, some of this stuff is just like ridiculous that they put on their information sheet here. Let's take a look at this primary. I do love the windows right there with the primary. That's really nice. Got a king size bed here. Get 9-foot ceilings, orange peel texture. You got a 1/2 inch on the bullnose here. You do have the option to do the straight edge, typically with this build right here. But this builder on the more expensive homes, on the bigger homes, you do have a lot of options. One of their most popular models is like the Roberts model, and also the Rocco and Roberts model. I love now how builders are using, I always forget the name of this, let me in the comments below, but it's just such a clean look. I'm doing the same thing on my remodel. That's why I like looking at these things, because it gives you inspiration, right? Like ideas. Not bad. Now, keep in mind that the appliances, it's going to be GE appliances that are going to be included, minus the washer and the dryer. See, well, I've got a smart panel box 36 that's already screwed in, so we can't open that. I definitely would love to get into that. So again, we have right here is the jumper duct, but pushes that out from here, the grill, and it sucks it right into this hallway here. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Now also, probably the way that this thing sits right now, you're probably gonna be into this about $410,000. There's a lot of upgrades that have been done to this, so I'm gonna say 410, 420. Now you can literally get away with probably about like 30,000 in upgrades. I mean, you don't have to do all this stuff. Now let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.